let us get started. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather and meet today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and emerging. Welcome everyone to our monthly meetup. My name is Gary Liu, and I am one of the organizers at GDG Cloud Sydney. I'm joined by Gushan Manandar, and we will be your hosts for today. Next slide. Do we have the buzzer? Next slide, please. Oh, yeah, okay. This event is organized in partnership with Dented Code. Dented Code is a full-stack bootcamp that teaches coding skills that you will need to become a full-stack developer and helps you advance your career or pursue your dream job here in Sydney and Canberra. For more information, please feel free to scan the QR code for details on their website. Next slide, please. Since we are all in a Google venue today, please scan the QR code to view Google's Code of Conduct. It is very important to us that we can provide everyone a comfortable environment where you can all feel safe and welcome. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of the organizers such as me, Gushan, or Matt, and we would be more than happy to help you. Next slide, please. GDG is actively looking for new speakers and new presentations. We are always so excited to see the different interesting topics and ideas that you all come up with, and we would really love you to come share with the rest of our community. We welcome all backgrounds and expertise, and you can fill in this form or scan the QR code to express your interest, or even just come have a chat with us and we'll get you on board. Next slide. Now let's move on to what we'll be doing today. We'll start with our Who is Hiring and Who Wants to be Hired session as usual. Our first talk will be presented by Pavitra Valisetti on the topic of encryption and decryption, securing your data in the cloud. Our second talk will be presented by Kushal Pokhrel on the topic of using the latest TensorFlow features for better skin disease detection. Due to the interest of time, we will only have a short Q&A session in between each presentation, around 3 questions maximum. However, Pavitra and Kushal will be more than happy to stay back and answer your burning questions as well. So please feel free to stay and network with the presenters and the rest of the people after the event. This month, we will also be giving out 3 licenses from JetBrains, 1-year subscription to any of the JetBrains IDEs with a raffle at the end of the session. So please stay focused until the end, and we look forward to seeing that. Next slide, please. Without further ado, I'll now hand it over to Gushan to talk about DevFest and kick off the Who is Hiring and Who Wants to be Hired session.
Easier. Check. Yeah, so DevFest Melbourne is happening on the 7th of October. If anyone is going to Melbourne, or if anyone knows someone in Melbourne who would like to participate in this, please let them know. Next slide. Probably the clicker works. Let me try. It does. It does. Yeah, so this is our regular section of who's hiring and who's looking for work. Is anyone hiring here? If I can see a raise of hands. Anyone whose company is hiring? Okay, because there's no one, I'll raise my hand. So we at Simply Wall Street are hiring a senior designer and a senior front-end engineer. So if you want to apply at Simply Wall Street, let me know, or just Google Simply Wall Street jobs. That would be Simply Wall ST jobs, and you should land in the Simply Wall Street career page. Now, for the next section, what I'll do is everyone gets a minute, and then you can just come up here and pitch yourself. So raise your hand only if you are comfortable coming up here and then pitching yourself up for who is looking for work. Is there anyone looking for work here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come over and then come in a line as usual. Let's do the usual drill. Yeah, just stand there. So how this works is, yeah, everyone gets a minute. I'll just put the timer on my phone. And then you just come in and pitch yourself, say what you do, and the type of job you're looking for, or the role that you're looking for. Yeah, let's go.
Thank you. Yeah, hello everyone, good evening. So I'm Rajesh.
Go in.
Yeah. I recently moved to Sydney last week. So I'm from Singapore. Actually, I have around 13 years of experience working as a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, and SRE. So I have got this 491 regional visa. So I'm looking for an opportunity in Sydney. So I have around 13 years of experience. So I'm still working for my company from Singapore, actually from Sydney.
How can people contact you?
So they can contact me through email and my mobile number.
Not LinkedIn or anything?
Yeah, LinkedIn also. So you can search for Rajesh Raghuraman and you can find my contact.
Probably spell your name and
Yeah, it's Rajesh, Rajesh, Raguraman. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Next one. You get a minute.
Hello, guys. Good evening. I'm Baiyu Chen. I'm a Master of IT student from UNSW, and this is my first term in here. So I'm new here, but I have like 1 year's experience from previous internship. So I'm seeking for a full stack development and front end and back end as well. So thank you guys. If you want to hire me like in summer internship, so feel free to contact me at LinkedIn or email or mobile phone. So thank you.
Thank you. Next one.
Thank you, Dai. Hello, everyone. I'm Sazan here, and I'm a fresh graduate. I just finished my bachelor's a couple of months ago, and then I did my internship as well. I have some experience in Java, Django, and the Python. I have done some of the front-end work in the React and the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap as well. So if you guys are hiring in the any backend developer role or the front-end developer role or the junior role anywhere, please contact me through the LinkedIn. My name is Sazan Shrestha, and you can email me as well. It's shreshthsan13@gmail.com. All right, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Carlos. I am a senior software engineer with more than 6 or 7 years. I have experience with the front-end development, back-end development, and DevOps development. In front-end, mostly React, TypeScript, JavaScript, Node.js in the back-end, or Webpack, Babel as well. So if there is any opportunity, I'm open for a conversation. You can find me as Carlos Eduardo in LinkedIn. Thank you.
Yeah, come and speak with me.
Good evening, everyone. This is me, Luzin Mananda, and I'm just trying to look for any internships and vacationer program. It says like I'm a student. I'm a first-year student at KOI, and I have an 5 to 6 months experience in machine learning, remote sensing, and other AI models as well. And I'm looking for an internship, and anyone. You can find me on LinkedIn. It's Luzin Mananda, and any tips or any referrals, or any internships or any comments would be really helpful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Ken Wei, and I'm from University of Canberra, and I'm graduating in 2 months. So during the past 2 years, I've done the internship at CSIRO, working for the medical imaging analysis team, doing some deep learning model called CycleGAN, and I also have been doing Cairo Academic tutoring 2 programming units at UC as well, both instructing the tutorials and also marking assessment. So at the end of this year or the beginning of next year, I would like to find a software engineering roles or solution architect. So I'm happy to learn any languages, frameworks, or tools, because we are engineers and we are not strict to any particular one of them. Yeah. So and you can find me on LinkedIn. So my name is Kangwei, and you can also search Linda, Linda Ma. Yeah. And I also have the the green cycle around my profile, open to work. Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you. Last one.
Hi guys, I know it's a bit awkward this time, but so basically I am Yash. I am computer science student at Western Sydney. I'm in my penultimate year, so I am already AWS certified. I am certified with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. I'll be graduating next year, so I am open to entry-level roles, and I'm also working as an experienced analyst at PwC for consulting. I am looking forward for entry roles or even graduate roles towards solutions architect, preferably moving towards AI and machine learning later. You can find me on LinkedIn as Yash, as in Y-A-S-H, Bagia, B-A-G-I-A, or you can just meet me after the event. I'll be right here. Thanks.
Thank you. One more. Oh. Yeah?
Am I allowed to offer jobs? Okay.
Yeah, go.
1 minute. Hi all, I'm Philip Grasser-Newen. I used to be at Google. I got the Google t-shirt, but I'm no longer at Google. I joined Macquarie about 6 months ago, so Macquarie Bank, part of BFS. Just wanted to share that there's plenty of opportunities at Macquarie. Macquarie have a graduate program for those looking for internships and graduates. So if you're interested, come ping me on LinkedIn. I haven't updated my LinkedIn profile yet, but it's philip.grasso. So I think it's linkedin.com/ln philip.grasso. And then I can connect you with the graduate program. I've been hiring nonstop for years now. And so I've pretty much always got roles, mostly for more senior people though. So if you have been around, you're interested in SRE, you're interested in software engineering, then I probably have a role, or I can connect you with someone that has a role, and I have, someone's always asking me for people.
For the interns, is the PR required, or people without PR can apply as well?
For interns, generally you're expected to have a PR. I can't remember if it's paid, but I know that the grad program's happening, and I take grads in my team and so forth. So if you are interested, then feel free to ping me and I'll connect you to the right people, at least.
Thank you very much. I guess the line is done now. Yeah, just to clarify before we move ahead, I am not a recruiter. Last time someone thought I was a recruiter, I am a software engineer, and this is just to help the community.